Okay guys, happy Sunday to all of you. First and foremost, I just want to invite you to an upcoming live training on the 23rd of November. Yes, on the 23rd of November, I'm going to be having a live training with just 10 people on the basic training of how to earn at least over $1,000 every month. Now, for this training, the special requirements are very simple. You just need 4 of them. 1, you need a mobile phone with internet access. 2, you need 1 hour dedicated for trading and training. And then on the day, on the 23rd, you have to make sure you have at least 5 hours for the live training. Now, number 3, you need trading capital. You can start with as low as 10,000 naira. Yes. And number 4, the registration fee, which is 50,000 naira. Now, it's just for 10 people. We're going to be having both online and on-site. I want you to make preparations to be there. Registration closes on the 20th of November. Now, also, I'm going to be having a one-on-one training for the executive coming this Saturday on the 9th. On the 9th of November. This is just for 5 people. It's an advanced class whereby you learn how to earn over $3,000. Now, over $1 million every month. Is it possible to make earning $1 million from the comfort of your home, from your phone? Yes. This is how I've been making money, and I just felt like I should always teach and show to other people how they can also be doing the same. Now, everybody can get the opportunity to do this. Now, if you're asking or you're wondering, what's the possibility that I'm going to make money? Let me tell you, the guarantee of you making money is, will you follow instruction? You go follow instruction. Are you sure you can follow instruction? If you are told to sit, will you sit? If you are told to stand, will you stand? If you will do exactly what you are told and not assume, you're going to make money. So you always work with what you can afford to risk and not do many things together at the same time. Now, I'm inviting you specially. I will be the one training you, I'll be the one coaching you, and you also get to join our community of traders, over 600 of them, so that you know that, hey, no be child's play. You can make it happen. God bless you. I'll see you on the inside.